Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we're going to spotlight the Fortis Tube Doors from Rugged Ridge. The Fortis Tube Doors provide a doors-off feel while still providing the sense of safety you get when your factory doors are installed. So let's check it out. These doors are perfect for rock crawling or trail riding because they provide full visibility that you wouldn't normally have with factory doors. One of the best features of these tube doors is the rattle-free performance on any terrain. That's a credit to the fact that the tube doors are constructed of 1.5-inch fully welded continuous tube all the way around. Each door is E-coated to prevent any corrosion or rusting to the steel tube underneath. They are then powder coated with texture finish for enhanced durability to fight dings and scratches. These tube doors will fit right into your vehicle's door frame and are available with or without side mirrors. Rubber bump stops are positioned between the door and the vehicle frame to help protect your vehicle from damage. Another neat feature of these doors is the ability to attach other products such as trail mirrors or even door storage bags. These storage bags and other attachments are sold separately, but the fact that you have the added level of customization is impressive. And you can pair the doors with covers to provide an increased level of containment for unsecured objects in the cab's interior. The last feature of the Fortis Tube Doors is the rotary paddle handle that provides easy operation to open and close the door. No slamming needed. And they remain secure in place when driving down the road. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the installation of the tube doors. So straight out of the box, you get these tube doors, and the first thing you're going to want to do is assemble the hinges right here. Comes with 4 nuts and bolts and 8 washers. And what you want to do is 2 washers, a nut and bolt for top, bottom, top, bottom. So once you get these hinges applied to the tube doors, you're ready to take off your factory doors and get these installed. So once you remove your factory doors, you're ready to put on your tube doors. So grab your doors, they slide right in here to the hinge holes. You want to use the same factory bolts that came out of the factory doors and put those back in, drop your door in. You want to get your door level to where it closes. When I initially did it, the door would not close. So what I did is I loosened these 4 bolts up, lifted the door up to where it was closed, I held it in place and then tightened these back up, and now it works perfect. So that's a good little side note to keep in mind when you're doing the doors. And that's it. Thanks for joining us today as we spotlighted Rugged Ridge's Fortis Tube Doors. Remember to tune in every Friday for new products, installations, and spotlights like this. Rubber bump stops are positioned rubber baby bumpers. The last feature of the, what are they called? Tortoise? Fortis Tube Doors. That's a blooper right there.